Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to Murahari online classes. Today I would like to explain previous year papers in relation functions chapter from 2004 to 2013 papers. Already I have done from 2014 to 2020 papers. So now let us start question number 1. In a group G star for some element A of a G, if A square is equal to E, where E is the identity element, then first option A is equal to A inverse, A equal to E and root E, and E is equal 1 by E square, 1 by A square, and fourth option A is equal to E. So now explain question number 1 from 2013 paper. In a group, A square is equal to E given. So A square is equal to E given, where E is identity element. So option 1 A is equal to A inverse, and option 2 A is equal to root E, and A is equal to A square, A is equal to fourth option. So we have write A square can be written as A into A is equal to A. So we multiply A inverse on both sides. So A inverse A is equal to A inverse into E. So we know that A inverse into A is equal to E. EA is equal to A inverse into E. Therefore, A is equal to A inverse. So option 1 is correct. So let us start question number 2 in 2013 paper. The range of the function f of x is equal to sine integral part of x, where x lies between minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. So integral part of x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Now we have to find the range of sine of integral part of x. So x domain is given minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 domain given, but our target is range. X belongs to minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 given. We have to find f of x is equal to sin x. So first we have to find f of minus pi by 4. At x is equal to minus pi by 4. This value will be sine of, this is integral part of x. Integral part of minus pi by 4. Where pi by 4 value 3.14 by 4, this is equal to 0.785. This is equal to sine of minus 0.785. This can be written as sine of minus 1 plus 0.1000 minus 785. 215. This is equal to sine of minus 1. So minus 1 plus 0.25 integral part of value minus 1. So sine of minus 1. Next at x is equal to pi by 4. This value will be f of pi by 4 is equal to sine of integral part of pi by 4. So sine of integral part of pi by 4 value 0.785. In this 0.785 integer value is 0. Therefore sine 0 is 0. So sine 0 is 0. Sine of minus 1 is equal to minus sine 1. This range is, so sine 0 0 and sine of minus 1 is minus sine 1. 0 minus sine 1. So fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. Question number 3 from 2013 paper. In a group Z star, if A star be defined by A plus B minus N, now we have to find inverse of minus N. These two inverse property, what first one is inverse property, second one is identity property. First we have to find identity. So what is identity property? A star E is equal to A. So already the one operation defined A star B is equal to A plus B minus N. Now A star E value, where B place in E right, A plus E minus N is equal to A. Therefore E equal to N. So identity is N. Now target the inverse of minus N. Let A be the inverse of minus N. Therefore A star minus N is equal to E. So according to this first property, A star B is equal to E, then B is inverse of A or A is inverse of B. So A star minus N. In this binary operation, B place in minus N substitute. A star B is A plus B minus N. A star minus N is A, where B place in, since A star B is equal to A plus B minus N. Okay, in the binary operation, B place in right minus N. A minus N, already minus N is there, is equal to E. So E value we got N. Therefore A is equal to minus N, bring the right side, plus 2N plus N, 3N. So A is equal to 3N. This is the inverse of minus N. So which option is correct? Option 4 is correct. So let us go to the question number 1 from 2012 K-Set paper. F is mapping from R tends to R is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Then we have to find f inverse x. So one inverse property is there. We know that f of x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to f inverse y. This is the inverse property, where f of x value given 2x plus 3 is equal to y. That implies 2x is equal to y minus 3. Therefore x is equal to, we got y minus 3 by 2. But what is x? F inverse y. Therefore f inverse y is equal to y minus 3 by 2. But what is required? F inverse x is required. So required is f inverse x. So f inverse y is y minus 3 by 2. Therefore f inverse x is, on replacing y by x, x minus 3 by 2. So final answer, we got it. So let us go to the question number 2 in 2012. A and B have n elements in common. Then the number of elements in A cross B and B cross A. So our target is number of A cross B. So number of A cross B, one formula is there to n of A into n of B, where A cross B is the Cartesian product of A and B. So number of A into number of B. But in this statement, given number of A is equal to number of B is equal to n. So answer is n into n is equal to n square. Option 3 correct. Let us go to the question number 1 in 2011. A having 4 elements. If x divides y, then R is, where R for reflexive, T for transitive, S for symmetric. Now check for the reflexive property. What is the reflexive property? If every element of A is related to itself. So let us take same elements. X divides x. X divides x, this is always true. Therefore x and x belongs to R. This is reflexive satisfied. Next, symmetric. So what is the symmetric? If xy belongs to R, then yx is also belongs to R, then R is called symmetric. So what is given? X divides y. X divides y. Therefore x and y belongs to R. Therefore y is not divides x. Therefore yx does not belongs to R. If x divides y, that implies y is not divide y. Y is not divide x. Therefore yx does not belongs to R. Therefore this is not satisfied symmetric property. Next, I am going to explain transitive property. So I give one example. 4 divides 2. Therefore 2 comma 4 divides 2. Therefore 4 2 belongs to R. Therefore 2 is not divide x. Therefore 2 4 does not belongs to R. Now explain transitive property. X divides y. Therefore x and y belongs to R. Let us take y divides z. Therefore y and z belongs to R. That implies x Now x divides z. X must be divides z. Therefore xz belongs to R. Therefore transitive satisfied. This is satisfied. I give one example. 4 divides x. 4 divides 2. Therefore 4 and 2 belongs to R. And 2 divides 1. Therefore 2 1 belongs to R. That implies 4 divides 1. Therefore 4 1 is also belongs to R. This is transitive. So let me repeat. 4 divides 2. Therefore 4 2 belongs to R. And 2 divides 1. 2 1 belongs to R. This 4 divides 1. Therefore 4 1 belongs to R. This is transitive property satisfied. So same, x divides y, xy belongs to R. Let y divides z, yz belongs to R. Therefore x must be divides z. Therefore xz belongs to R. This is transitive. So reflexive satisfied, transitive satisfied but not symmetry. Reflexive, transitive, correct answer. First option correct. So let us go to the next problem. On the set of all non-zero reals, an operation star is defined as a star b is equal 3ab by 2. In this group, the solution of 2 star x star 3 inverse is equal to 4 inverse. We have 2 star x star 3 inverse is equal to 4 inverse. Now, in this statement, a star b defined by 3ab by 2. So, 2 star x place in right, 3 into 2 into x by 2. Where ab place in 2 and x substitute. Star 3 inverse is equal to 4 inverse. So, in this 2 get cancelled. 3x star 3 inverse is equal to 4 inverse. So, what is given? A star b defined by 3ab by 2. Now, 3x star 3 inverse, we get 3 into a into 3 inverse, where ab place in 3x and 3 inverse substitute, by 2 is equal to 4 inverse. So 3 inverse get cancelled. So x is equal 3x is equal 3x by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. 4 inverse is nothing but. So x is equal to 1 2 2 they cancel. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 6. 3x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 6. Option 3 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. In 2010, question number 1. The inverse of 2010 in the group positive real rational numbers star defined by a star b is equal to ab by 2010. First, we have to find identity. So let E be the identity of the Q plus. So A star E is equal to A. This is the property of identity. So what is given? A star B given AB by 2010. A star E is equal to AE by 2010. This is equal to A. Now A get cancelled. E value 2010. We got it. Now we have to find the inverse of 2010. Let A be the inverse of 2010. So already one property is there. A star B is equal to E. Then A is called inverse of B or B is called inverse of A. So by using the property, A star A be the inverse of 2010. Therefore A star 2010 is equal to E. So A star B is equal to E. But A star E 2010, A star 2010, this defined by, already defined, A star B defined by AB by 2010. A star 2010 is equal to A into 2010 by 2010. But S and E for identity, in this identity we got 2010. Therefore 2010 get cancelled. Answer is A is equal to 2010. What is this? This is inverse of 2010. So 2010 correct answer. So let us go to the next problem. So question number 1 in 2009. On the set of all natural numbers n, Star is binary operation. Which one of the following is star is binary operation? So what is given? Star defined by natural numbers. So let us take one example. So option 1, A star B is equal to 3A minus 4, 3A minus 4B. Let us take 1 comma 2 belongs to N. In 1 comma 2 substitute in 3A minus 4B. 3 into 1 minus 4 into B, this will be minus 5. Minus 5 does not belongs to N. This is not binary operation. So let us take second option. So let us take AB values. 1 comma 2 belongs to N. This will be 1 minus 2 by 1. 1 minus 2 by 1 plus 2. This is equal to minus 1 by 3. Does not belong to natural numbers. So option 2 is wrong. Let us take third option. So let us take 1, 2 belongs to N. Therefore root AB. Root AB is equal to root 1 into 2. This does not belong to natural numbers. So option 3 also wrong. Now go to the next option. Let us take 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to N. A plus 3B. Now we have to find A plus 3B. This is equal to 1 plus 2 into 3. This is equal to 7. 7 belongs to natural numbers. So this 4 is binary operation. Option 4 is binary operation. Let us go to the next problem. So what is given? F is mapping from Z tends to Z given. So domain Z and codomain also Z. Z for integers. F of n is equal to n by 2 where n is even number. F of n equal to 0 if n is odd number. Then F is. In options in 1 1 onto combination is given. So injection is other name is 1 1. Surjection is other name is onto. First check for 1 1. So what is given? F of n is equal to n by 2 given. F of n equal to n by 2 where n is even number. So let us take any even number. Let n is equal to 2 or 4, so 0 and 6 and so on. If n is equal to 2, f of n is equal, f of 2 equal to 4 by 2, this will be 2. And if n is equal to 4, this will be f of 4 is equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. So different elements having same images. Different elements having same images. This is not 1 1. Let's check for onto. Check for onto. So what is the onto property? If range is equal to codomain, then the function is called onto. F of n equal n by 2. F of n is equal to 0 if n is odd number. So let us take odd numbers 1, 3, 5, positive or negative numbers also. So minus and so on, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 3, 5. F of minus 5. F of minus 5 is equal to f of odd number is equal to result will be 0. F of any odd numbers is equal to result will be zeros. F of any even number, this result will be 2. F of 4, f of 6, 6 by 2, 3, 4 by 2, 2 by 2. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. Question number 2 in 2009 paper. On the set of integers Z defined, F is mapping from Z tends to Z. So domain Z and codomain also integers Z. So domain and codomain same sets are given. F of n equal n by 2 given, where n is even number. If n is even integer, f of n equal n by 2. If n is odd number, f of n equal to 0. Then f is. In options 1 1 onto combinations are there. So injection other name is 1 1. Surjection other name is onto. Right, integers. And so on, minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like. So this is also same. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If f of even number, output is n by 2. So let us take even number. 2 is even number. So 2 by 2. 2 by 2 value 1. So 2 mapping to 1. So 3, 4. So 4 is even number. So 4 by 2. 4 by 2 mapping to 2. Like. So minus 2. Minus 2 is negative even number. So minus 2. Minus 2 by 2. That is minus 1 mapping. So minus 1. Sorry. Minus 4 also there. If minus 4 mapping to minus 2. So 0 mapping to 0. So 0 mapping to 0 is even number. So 0 is even number. So 0 f of 0, 0 mapping to 0. Okay, clear. If n is odd number, if n is odd number, minus 5 odd number. If you have f of any odd number, result will be 0. So minus 5 to 0, minus 3 to 0, 1 to 0, and 3 to 0. So this type of function is neither on1 nor on2 because different elements having same images and different elements having same images. This is not 1, 1. What is the on2 definition? If range is equal to codomain, in this range codomain both are different. What is the codomain? Codomain is Z. So range is some numbers are there. 0, minus 2, minus 1. So in this range codomain both are different. So range not equal to codomain. Therefore this is f is not onto. So neither 1, 1 nor onto correct answer. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. So now explain question number 1 in 2008 paper. On the set Z of all integers star defined by a star b is equal to a plus b minus 5, then 2 star of x star 3 given 5, then find the value of x. So what is given? 2 star x star 3 given 5. So 2 star a star b defined by a plus b minus 5. So x star 3 on ab place in x3 substitute. So x plus 3 minus 5 is equal to 5. This will be x minus 2 is equal to 5. Again by using a star b, what is a star b defined? A star b is equal to a plus b minus 5. In this 2 star x minus 2. In a star b defined by a plus b minus 5. On ab place in 2 x minus 2 substitute. Therefore a plus b minus 5, where a place in 2, b place in x minus 2 right. Minus 5 is equal to 5. Therefore 2 get cancelled. X is equal to minus 5, bring the right side, x is equal to 10. So we got it, x value 10. Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. So question number 2 from 2008. Which of the following is false? First option, addition is commutative in n. Multiplication is associative in natural numbers. A star b is equal to a power p, a power b. Then star is commutative in natural number set. Addition is associative in n. So what is the property? Addition, first option. Check for the first option. Addition is commutative in natural numbers. Let us take one example. 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, always true. So commutative, this is the correct answer. So what is required? Which is the false? Multiplication is associative. Associative property, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. This is also true. Okay, multiplication is associative, satisfied. So option 3, a star b is equal to a to the power b, where star is commutative. So a star b is equal to a to the power b, b star a is equal to b to the power a. Both are different. Therefore, A star B is not equal to B star A. So, star is commutative given. This is not correct. This is the false. So, option 4, addition is associative in natural numbers. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is always true. So, this is also correct. So, which option is false? Third option is false. So, let us go to the next problem. F is mapping from R tends to R defined by f of x is equal to x cube. Then find out f inverse 8. We know that f of x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to f inverse y. From the statement f of x value x cube given. Therefore x cube equal to y. Therefore x is equal to cube root y. Cube root of y. Where x value f inverse y. So f inverse y is equal to cube root of y. But what is required? F inverse of 8 required. Put y is equal to 8. Therefore f inverse of 8 is equal to cube root of 8. This is nothing but 2. So which option is correct? First option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. Question number 4 in 2008. R is the relation on natural numbers given. One relation is given. 4x plus 3y is equal to 20. So in this, which option is correct? So minus 4. Minus 4 is not natural number. First option is wrong. 5 0. In 0 is also not natural number. This is also second option wrong. So 3 4 substitute in this option 3. 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4. This is not equal to 20. So option 3 wrong. So now going to option 4. Option 4, 4x plus 3y. 4 into, what is option 4? 2 4. On xy place in 2 4 substitute. 4 into 2 plus 3 into 4. This will be 20. Option 4 correct. So let us go to the first problem in 2007. F is mapping from R tends to R. F of x is equal to modulus of x. So modulus of x, this is the modulus x graph. So y is equal to modulus of x. So what is the definition of modulus of x? Modulus of x is equal to plus x when x is greater than 0. So modulus of x is equal to minus x when x less than 0. Modulus x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. If x is positive, modulus of x is x. If x is negative, modulus of x is minus x. At x is equal to 0, modulus of x is equal to 0. Therefore, what is given? F of x is equal to modulus of x given. So f inverse is does not exist. So f inverse function is does not exist. So let us go to the next problem. A having ABC and B having BCD and C having ADC. Then we have to find A minus B cross B intersection C. So A minus B. So A having ABC minus B BCD. So what is the A minus B? First write. What is the common points? B and C get cancelled. First set having A. That is A minus B. Next we have to find B intersection C. So B intersection C is BCD intersection. What is C? CADC. So in this common elements are C comma D. This is B intersection C. Now we have to find A minus B cross B intersection C. So A minus B having A and B intersection C having C and D. The Cartesian product of these two sets. What is the Cartesian product? the set of all possible ordered pairs. So AC AD. So AC AD is the Cartesian product of this given sets. So let us go to the next problem. So what is given? Rational number set is given. Star is which option is satisfied commutative and associative both. So let us take first option. Option 1, A star B is equal to 2A plus 3B. Tell me B star A. B star A is equal to A star B defined by 2A plus 3B. B star A defined by 2B plus 3A. So this is not satisfied as to commutative property. Because A star B, B star A different. 2A plus 3B, this is 2B plus 3A. Both are different. This is not satisfied commutative property. So associative property also not satisfied. So next, let us go to the next option. Option 2. So let us take A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. B star A value B plus A plus BA. So both are equal, therefore commutative satisfied. Commutative satisfied. Now check for associative property. Associative property. In associative property, let us take numbers. Let us take 1, 2, 3. 3 elements belongs to real numbers, rational numbers. So now we have to find 1 star 2 star 3. So left side value this is. So 1 star 2, A star B defined by A plus B plus AB. So 1 star 2 is, this will be 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 2 star 3. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus this is 5 star 3. So 5 star 3 is equal to already A star B value A plus B plus AB. 5 star 3 value 5 plus 3 plus 5 into 3. This will be total 23. Now right side value. So right side value 1 star 2 star 3. This is equal to 1 star. Already A star B defined by A plus B A plus AB. A plus B plus AB. So 2 star 3 is 2 plus 3 plus 2 into 3. So this will be 1 star 11. So 1 star 11. So in A star AB place in right 1 and 11. 1 plus 11 plus 1 into 11. This will be 23. Therefore left side right side both are equal. Associative satisfied. So second option satisfied both commutative and associative. Let us go to the next problem. In the group Q plus star of positive numbers, positive rational numbers with respect to binary operation, A star B is equal to AB by 3. Now what is our target? The solution of this equation 5 star x is equal to 4 inverse. First, we have to find identity element. So what is the identity element? Property A star E is equal to A. So A star B is equal to AB by 3 defined. A star E, AE by 3 is equal to A. Now A get cancelled, E is equal to 3. E is equal to 3. Now 4 star 4 inverse is equal to identity element E. 4 star 4 inverse. So 4 star 4 inverse is, what is defined? A star B defined by AB by 3. 4 star 4 inverse is 4 into 4 inverse by 3 is equal to E value already we got 3. Therefore 4 inverse is equal to 9 by 4. So 4 inverse value 9 by 4. Now 5 star x. Already one operation defined. A star B is equal to AB by 3. 5 star x is equal to 5x by 3. So 4 inverse value we got it for 9 by 4, right? 9 by 4. Therefore x is equal to, by cross product, 3 9 is 27, 5 4 is 20. 27 by 20, first option is correct.